So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you all know that we are heading towards the end of the arcade. That is some of the games like the work we play and the certification zone will be ending today on 25th of June and the remaining games will be ending on 27th of June. So in case you still want to participate and win exciting goodies, you can try for the novice tier and complete all these badges as soon as possible because these games will be expiring soon. And where are the solution guide? I will tell you in this video. No need to worry about it. You can see here is week trivia. First of all, complete these trivias, then only go for level games. Now, what you need to do is you have to just check out the channel, and here I've shared this sheet. So for all the games, I've shared the games, access code, and their playlist. So when you click on this playlist, you'll be redirected to the trivia games like this. Let me show you. So this is the base camp trivia. All things are present here. Complete it. And in case you have already completed these games and lacking few points, you can complete these skill badges. Here more than 40 plus skill badges are present. I think 50 also. So you have to just follow each step by step and complete accordingly. If you face any issue, you can let me know in the comments. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Now one more important thing I will share, that some of you may have missed one thing, that is the price. So if you have completed already, you need to watch this video to enable these settings before 27th, otherwise you won't be able to get the swags. So you should watch this videos too. And if you don't want to participate in this cohort, you can participate in the upcoming cohort. I will show you the video. Wait a minute. So here is the how you can become a facilitator and when will the program start. So this is the video about it. You can watch it and understand when you will start the arcade program for the second cohort. So this is all for today. To complete as soon as possible, complete all the badges, and thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.